Are you tired of feeling sluggish and struggling with stubborn weight? Meet LeanBiome, the solution you've been searching for. Many people struggle with weight gain, low energy, and frustrating diets. LeanBiome addresses the root issue, an imbalanced gut microbiome. With LeanBiome, you can naturally boost metabolism, suppress cravings, and achieve healthy weight loss without extreme diets. Imagine feeling lighter, more energetic, and confident in your skin. LeanBiome helps activate your body's natural ability to burn fat, enhancing your metabolism. Thousands have transformed their lives with LeanBiome, rediscovering happiness through sustainable weight loss. Stories from real users reveal impressive results, shedding pounds while enjoying life. From improved digestion to reduced cravings, LeanBiome offers benefits that go beyond the scale. It's specially formulated with clinically researched probiotic strains, ensuring effective results without harsh dieting. Why choose LeanBiome? Unlike typical supplements, it doesn't rely on stimulants. It scientifically targets the imbalance in your gut for long-term success. Act now. For a limited time, get LeanBiome for only $39 per bottle, a massive 70% discount. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Click the link below in description and pinned comment to experience the incredible benefits of LeanBiome. Your journey to a healthier, leaner you starts today.